Did you know the food we eat either can fuel inflammation or fight? Hello everyone, I'm Tiash and welcome back to my channel Tiash at California. Some of you already know that I am a certified health coach, but today I am going to share with you how my family turned into anti-inflammatory diet to heal from within. In today's video, I will show you 3 super easy anti-inflammatory recipes, a quick and delicious breakfast that you can prep ahead, a warm and comforting one-bowl stew packed with rainbow chard, chickpeas, pumpkin and coconut milk, flavored with anti-inflammatory spices, and a family-friendly weeknight dinner that's both healthy and satisfying. These recipes are full of nutrients and flavor that will make you forget about takeout cravings. Let's dive in. Introducing our quick favorite breakfast, the anti-inflammatory chocolatey overnight yogurt bowl. Start with creamy protein-rich yogurt full of gut-loving probiotics. Next, add fiber-packed oats. Here I am using 1/4 cup oats powder for 1 cup of yogurt. Then add 2 teaspoons of soaked chia seeds, perfect for a filling and energizing start. Mix it well, letting the chia seeds soak up the liquid for that perfect creamy texture. A spoonful of rich cacao powder gives you that irresistible chocolatey flavor plus a boost of antioxidants. Top it with antioxidant-rich blueberries and crunchy heart-healthy nuts for that perfect balance of texture and taste. Now let it chill overnight and wake up to this creamy anti-inflammatory delight ready to go. Whole process won't take more than 5 minutes. In the morning, add some crisp, juicy apple chunks for an extra crunch and drizzle with honey for a touch of sweetness. And there you have it, the ultimate chocolatey anti-inflammatory breakfast that will keep you feeling energized, satisfied and ready to take on the day. Give it a try. Start your mornings the right way and let me know how you like it. Before we get to the lunch recipe, I want to share a little bit of my life journey. Back in 2014, we were new to America and caught up in unhealthy habits, junk food, fast food takeouts, no exercise, too much stress and poor sleep. It started affecting everything, our moods, relationship and health. My husband's blood reports showed high LDL, triglycerides and obesity. I struggled with joint pain, migraines, belly fat and bloating, while my young son had constipation and hyperactivity. We knew we had to change. Now let's cook a healthy lunch and I will share how we turned things around while we eat. Today, I am making a soul-warming vegetarian stew packed with nourishing ingredients and bold flavor. The main ingredients are rainbow Swiss chard, chickpeas, pumpkin and coconut milk. I will share the benefits of each ingredient as we chop and cook. But first, let's start with these base ingredients. We begin with onion, ginger and garlic, the foundation of this soul-soothing stew. These ingredients are loaded with health benefits. Onions are rich in antioxidants, ginger helps reduce inflammation and garlic boosts immunity. I will cook everything in homemade ghee or clarified butter. which not only enhances the flavor but also helps improve good cholesterol level. As the ghee melts, I'll add black mustard seeds for digestion, cumin seeds for their anti-inflammatory properties. Then I will add fragrant curry leaves for their ability to regulate blood sugar. Once the mustard seeds pop, I will toss in chopped green chili for a bit of heat and chopped onion. Sauteing until the onion turns golden brown is essential. It develops a deep, rich flavor base for the stew. To retain nutrients and enhance the flavor, I will cook everything on low to medium heat, covering the pot to let the ingredients work their magic. While the onions are frying, I will chop the pumpkins and tomatoes. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene, which promotes healthy skin, boosts immunity, and supports good vision. It's also high in fiber, helping with digestion and keeping you full. Tomatoes are packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and supports heart health, along with vitamin C to strengthen your immune system. If you are finding these tips helpful, let me know by giving me a thumbs up in the comments. Your support inspires me to continue this journey and share more healthy, delicious recipes with you. I have added the chopped pumpkin to the pot, followed by freshly grated ginger and garlic. Mixing it all together. I'll cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. While it's cooking, I'll prepare the Swiss chard by separating the crunchy stems from the tender leaves and chopping them separately. Swiss chard is loaded with vitamins A, C and K to boost immunity and support bone health. After 5 minutes, the pumpkins have started to soften beautifully. It's time to add the Swiss chard stems first, letting them cook for a few minutes. Next goes the chopped tomatoes, along with spices, turmeric for its anti-inflammatory magic, paprika or chili powder for a smoky hit, and roasted cumin and coriander powder for depth and warmth. I will give everything a good mix to coat the ingredients evenly. Adding salt according to the taste. Now it's time to add 2 cups of boiled chickpeas. Creamy, protein-rich goodness. Followed by the chopped leafy greens. I'll cook them for 5 to 6 minutes, allowing the veggies to release their natural water, making everything tender and flavorful. The final touch, fresh homemade coconut milk for a creamy texture and a bit of water to adjust the thickness of the stew. Now cover and cook until it starts bubbling, filling the kitchen with the most irresistible aroma. Lastly, a sprinkle of garam masala made with cardamom, cinnamon and clove. The spices packed with anti-inflammatory benefits takes this stew to the next level. Now it's ready to serve. Pair it with a warm bowl of rice and a fresh salad. I am using the black rice, but you can use the red matta rice or brown rice or even quinoa. My family loves it with basmati rice. Don't forget to squeeze some lime juice on top for that bright, tangy kick. As I take a bite, I can't even describe how comforting and satisfying this stew is. The creamy coconut milk, tender pumpkin, and hearty chickpeas all come together in the most delightful way. What about you? Can you imagine the flavors? If this recipe has your mouth watering, let me know in the comments. What did you pair this with? Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed the recipe. It keeps me inspired to share more delicious and nourishing meal with you. Bon appetit! After this satisfying lunch, let's wrap up quickly. My live exercise session is coming up. Are you joining? Monday to Thursday 5:30 p.m. PST. In India, Tuesday to Friday 7 a.m. IST. Now let's get back to the story. In 2016, I joined world's largest nutrition school IIM, and it was the best decision of my life. It transformed me not just physically but emotionally. I learned about nutrition, stress management, and key lifestyle changes that most of us overlook. One big shift: our meals now focus on anti-inflammatory diet. Lots of veggies, citrus and fiber-rich foods. It changed everything. If my story feels familiar, trust me, you can do it too. Email me or check out my website. Details are in the description box. It's almost dinner time, and I know at the end of the day we all crave something quick, easy and healthy that the whole family will love. Don't worry, I have got you. Tonight, we are making one-pot noodles that are sure to become your family's favorite weeknight dinner. I am using organic millet and brown rice ramen from Costco, but feel free to use your favorite healthy noodles. The star of the dish, Bok Choy, along with loads of other healthy veggies and my secret anti-inflammatory spices. This recipe is packed with flavor and nutrition. I like to cut my vegetables into strips, and I already cut the broccoli into small florets. Now it's time to separate the bok choy leaves from the stems. They cook at different speeds, so this helps keep everything perfect. Then we will stir fry everything quickly to lock in all that goodness. Bok choy is loaded with vitamins A, C and K, plus calcium and magnesium for strong bones. It's also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. For protein, I am using tofu. It's completely vegan recipe. This plant-based protein packed with iron, calcium and all essential amino acids. I stir-fried them in chili garlic oil. Now let's get cooking. On one side of the stove, I will cook the noodles. On the other side, I will start stir-frying the veggies using cold-pressed peanut oil for that rich, nutty flavor. Once the oil is hot, I am adding chopped garlic and dried red chilies to infuse the oil with an amazing aroma. Next, in goes the veggies, one by one, for a quick stir fry. To add crunch, and extra protein, I am tossing in some peanuts. Plus, they are a family favorite, especially in our veggie chow mein. Now, it's time for the bok choy. First, I add the stems and a bit of salt to help everything cook faster. After giving a quick mix, it's time to add the leaves. Giving it all a good stir to combine everything. Finally, here is my secret taste booster, a mix of dark soy sauce and organic unsweetened unsalted peanut butter. This adds a delicious depth of flavor that makes this dish irresistible. Mixing everything well again. With the veggies perfectly cooked, it's time to add the cooked noodles and mix everything together. For an extra boost of health, I am adding a pinch of turmeric and organic oregano powder. Totally optional but highly beneficial. Then, freshly crushed black pepper powder. After mixing everything, now I am adding the stir-fried tofu we made earlier. Giving it a gentle mix to coat everything in those delicious flavors. And that's it. Serve it up for yourself and your family. Have you ever thought chow mein could be this healthy and delicious? Every bite is a burst of flavors. The nuttiness of peanut butter, the umami of soy sauce, the crunch of peanuts, and the warmth of spices, all perfectly balanced. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Share it with someone who loves quick, healthy meals. Hit the notification bell so you never miss another recipe. Earlier, I shared my journey to better health. If my story resonates with you, don't hesitate to reach out for guidance or help. My contact details are in the description box. And if you loved this recipe, I highly recommend you to check out this video. Thank you.